Hey everyone, welcome to Learn with Rishi, where we make learning fun and help you ace your 11 plus entrance exams. Today, we're diving into some awesome verbal reasoning questions. Are you ready to train your brain and have some fun? Well, stick around because by the end of the video, you'll feel like a true verbal reasoning pro. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps us out. Okay, so today we're going to be focusing on finding the odd words. And let's go through how this will work. So with this type of question, you're given 5 words. And 3 of these words are related to each other in some way. You're required to find 2 words that are not related. And you need to identify the 2 words that are different from the others. First, look at all 5 words and try to see a common relationship between 3 of them. It could be something like the fact that 3 words are land animals and other 2 are fish, or 3 are colours and the other 2 are smells. Let's look at this example here. So we have doctor, driver, teacher, nurse and dentist. Now as you can see, the answer here is driver and teacher. Can you guess why? Well, if you thought that doctor, nurse and dentist are all job roles within the healthcare industry, that's absolutely correct. And driver and teacher are still job roles, but they don't sit within that remit. So I hope that's given you a clear indication as to how this topic works. But remember, this is all practice. I would like you to press pause on the video whenever you want to figure out a question, then press play, come back to it, and see if you got the question right. We'll start off by doing a few together before I let you carry on. Okay, with that being said, let's go ahead and let's dive into it. Question number 1. Apple, orange, carrot, banana, and broccoli. What are the 2 odd words here? Let's think about it. Well, if you chose carrot and broccoli, you're absolutely correct, because apple, orange and banana are fruits, while carrots and broccolis are vegetables. Okay, question 2. Shark, whale, owl, eagle, dolphin. So what do we notice here? Well, we've got shark, whale and dolphin, which are aquatic animals, while owl and eagle are birds. Question 3. Tulip, rose, tulip, daisy, oak, and maple. Again, we know that rose, tulip, and daisy are flowers, while oak and maple are trees. So, I hope this is now giving you a quick introduction into what is required to calculate the odd words. So with this being said, I want you to pause the video now, attempt the next 5 questions, and then press play when you're ready to go. Okay, welcome back. Right, I hope that was useful. Let's go ahead and dive into question 4. Knife, spoon, hammer, fork, and scissors. Well, we know that knife, spoon, and fork are all eating utensils, while hammer and scissors are tools, so they are the 2 odd ones out. Question 5. London, Paris, Berlin, Amazon, Nile. Well, if you're good with geography, then you know that London, Paris and Berlin are cities, whilst Amazon and Nile are rivers. Question 6. Circle, triangle, rectangle, elephant and square. This one's an easy one, isn't it? Elephant and circle it is. Now some must be thinking that, well, they're all shapes and we need 2 odd ones out, so how does circle fall into this? Well, triangle, rectangle and square are geometric shapes, while elephant is an animal, but a circle is a curved figure and it's not a polygon. So for that reason, it's an odd one out. Question 7. Watch, scamper, listen, scuttle and hasten. Well, scamper, scuttle and hasten, they are actions related to movement, while watch and listen are related to your senses. So for that reason, it's watch and listen. Question 8. Lorry, helicopter, taxi, bus and plane. Well, lorry, taxi and bus are land vehicles, while helicopters and planes, they're all air vehicles. So helicopter and plane it is. You're doing really well, so keep up the great work. I think this is definitely worth subscribing to. So let's keep this up. Question 9. Dog, cat, tiger, robin and bear. What could it possibly be? Well, if you chose robin and tiger, you are absolutely correct, as dog, cat and bears are mammals and they're commonly associated with land, whilst a robin is a bird and a tiger is a wild feline. Okay, with that being said, let's move over to the second section here, team. I'd like you to pause the video, attempt these questions, and then press play when you're ready to go. Alright, welcome back. If you're enjoying this, don't forget to subscribe for more brain boosting fun. Let's get started with question 10 and see how we did here. So we have piano, guitar, drum, flute and violin. So what was the commonalities here? Well, if you chose drum and violin, you are absolutely correct. As we know, you could play a piano, a guitar and a flute with your hands, whilst a drum can be played with sticks and a violin can be played with a bow. Okay, question 11. Green, table, yellow, chair, white. Well, we can have table and chair, as green, yellow and white are colours, but table and chairs are furnitures. Okay, pansy, dahlia, glass, vase and rose. Well, if you picked glass and vase, you're absolutely correct, as a pansy, dahlia and rose are all flowers. You're doing really well, so let's keep this up. Question 13. Cousin, friend, sister, helper, mother. Well, we know that cousin, sister and mother are family members, so that leaves us with helper and friend. And question 14. Steep, level, flat, sheer, smooth. So steep, flat and sheer describe terrain or surfaces, while smooth and level describe textures or conditions. So level and smooth are our answer here. You're doing great, so let's keep that brain power going. Over to the final section now. Don't worry if you get stuck, that's how you learn. And don't forget to smash that like button if you're having fun with these questions. Pause the video here and press play when you're ready to go. Welcome back, team. Right, let's start with question 15. Summer, winter, spring, hot, autumn. Well, summer, spring and autumn are seasons, while hot describes the temperature and winter does the very much same thing. So for that reason, hot and winter is our answer. Question 16. Beach, mountain, river, banana, desert. Well, beach, mountain and river are all natural landforms, while banana is a fruit and desert is a biome. So for that reason, we will have banana and desert. Question 17. Doctor, driver, dentist, teacher, nurse. Well, once again, doctor, dentist and nurse are healthcare professions, while a driver and teacher are unrelated professions. So we'll go with driver and teacher. And finally, watch, clock, stare, gaze, guard. Watch, clock and guard are associated with time or monitoring, while stare and gaze are related to looking. So stare and gaze it is. Wow, you've done a fantastic job coming this far. Remember, every time you practice, you're getting one step closer to mastering your verbal reasoning skills. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe so you don't miss out on more fun and challenging questions. Thanks for hanging out with me today. See you in the next video. Keep practicing, stay curious, and as always, have fun learning.